Hi, my name is Deirdre, and as a parent of two lads who have done higher level Irish for Leaving Cert, I understand the pressures that year can bring. In 2015, when my eldest son was doing his Leaving Cert, he felt that he needed some help with his pronunciation for the mock orals. I came across Leavingcertirish.com, reached out to John, who was extremely helpful. He spent time with him on Skype, going through the pronunciation, giving him tips and giving him the confidence to prepare for his Leaving Cert. This year, 2019, my other son has been using the short pictures, going on the website all the time and find it extremely helpful. Again, he spent time with John on one-to-one on Skype, preparing for the orals and also for the exam itself. As a parent, John has a love of the language that comes across and really gives the pupils great encouragement. He's trustworthy, reliable, flexible. If you want to speak to him, you can always contact him by phone. And most of all, he's affordable. I cannot believe the amount of information that's on the website that John gives to the pupils. I wish John was around when I was doing my Leaving Cert. And for anybody doing their Leaving Cert in the future, I have no hesitation in recommending Leavingcertirish.com and contacting John. The best of luck to everybody out there.